You are trying to renew your CVOR and you are looking for your start date, or you just can't find the damn CVOR start date. That's what this video is all about, and we're going to be talking about how to find the start date. Hi, my name's Chris Harris, Safety Dawg, your CVOR expert. When renewing your CVOR, you can start at the CVOR website. Let's pop over to the CVOR website, and there you have it. There's the CVOR website, and this is what I wanted to show you. This is my site, by the way, the CVOR website. It is not the government. However, if you go there, right up at the very top, you will see a page called Useful Links. And when you go there, I want you to look at this. Here's where you can renew your CVOR certificate. And if you click on that button, it takes you right to the MTO site. And all you do is you input your CVOR number and you input your start date. Well, if you can't find the darn start date, that's what we're here to talk about. And if you have a level 2 CVOR, there's your start date right there. The government tells you to look on your level 2 CVOR to find your start date, and there it is. In this case, it's 1987, January the 7th. If you're an online user, yes, you can get your level 2 CVOR online now for free, but you got to have a government account. But there it is right there, CVOR start date. This one is 2017-05, the 10th day. So May the 10th of 2017 is that CVOR start date. And again, if you want to know how to find this stuff, come to the main page, CVOR.ca. Up there, useful links, click on that and look at right here on the list. If you want to order your level 2 CVOR, you click there, that takes you to the government website. You pay your $5 and they snail mail it to the address on the CVOR. So that might take you a little longer. But if you have an Ontario account, you click on the level 2 CVOR, and if it's all connected up properly, which there's going to be another video on that, but if it's all connected properly, you'll be able to see your level 2 CVOR just as I showed you there at the beginning of this video. So it's easy to find your start date if you have a level 2 CVOR, and it can be the printed version that they mail to you or the online version that you can get for free if your accounts are all set up. But that's how you get the start date. I must get this question at least once or twice a week. I answer phone calls, and this is what the people are asking. I don't know where my start date is. And it has to be an accurate start date. So you can't just make one up. So that's it. My name's Chris Harris, CVOR specialist. Safety Dawg is my company. All the best. Catch you in the next video.